something on my hand?
No, we put 3 eggs, not 5. Alfred told you he's immune.
It's-
Hold your hand. Wait.
No! Don't forget to
Thumb this video.
Yeah.
Test. Are we ready? Hey guys, welcome back to another TikTok video. Today we're going to be trying that challenge that's going around, the blind, deaf and mute cooking challenge. We've already assigned our roles. I am going to be deaf, and then Zen, you're going to be blind. Alfred, you're going to be mute. The recipe we're going to be making is following a chiffon cake recipe that I found on TikTok.
How to make a perfect chiffon cake. First, separate 3 eggs. For the next step, it's extremely important to mix cake flour and oil together before you add egg yolk, milk and vanilla extract. Add some lemon juice and 1/3 of the sugar to the egg whites. Whip until fish eye bubbles show. Scoop 1/3 of the egg whites to be mixed with the egg yolk mixture. Add this mixture to the remaining of the egg whites. Fold gently until the color looks even. Remove the foil after 20 minutes of baking. Then bake for 30 more minutes. Who are we, chiffon cake masters?
I'm using Alfred's AirPods and then I'm going to double up.
Can you hear
Oh
me?
my god.
Can you hear me?
So loud. Oh my god, I'm like at a club. I've not heard this loud music in so long.
Do I look good?
What?
Do I look good?
I can't.
Do I look good? How do I look?
Are we starting?
Wait.
Are we starting?
Wait, do I look good?
Are we starting?
Wait.
Okay, stand there.
Wait, do I look good? My hair?
Your hair's good. Hair's good. Oh my god, my eardrums.
Start.
Okay, are we starting?
Yeah.
Are we starting? Okay, thumbs up. Okay. Let me just get the recipe. How to make the chiffon cake batter. It says it's the easiest and most popular method.
Okay.
Huh? Swipe? What?
Instructions!
Talk softer. I feel like I'm whispering. Am I whispering?
Are we starting?
I don't know what Zen said.
Read my lips.
There's nothing on your lips.
No!
What?
Start!
Talk.
Instructions!
Talk?
What?
Okay.
Do? Oh my god.
This is a long recipe.
Why are you...
Like, I just hate it when you have to keep scrolling and then the recipe's all the way at the bottom. Equipment for making a chiffon cake. We need an aluminum cake pan. I think we have a cake pan, it's in there. We need mixing bowls. Mixing bowls.
Mixing bowls. Okay, wait, I know where it is. I just need the...
Maybe?
Oh, this one.
You stand here with that. And then I need a kitchen scale. Scale?
Is this not where the hand mixer is? Hand mixer?
That's Lila's bib. Then we need eggs. Zen, come here.
Come here.
Okay, this is the eggs. 3 eggs, grab 3 eggs.
Where's the bowl?
Here's the bowl. You need to separate 3 eggs into yolks and white.
How am I gonna do that?
Okay, Alfred, yeah. I watch it, baby. Love it so.
What am I doing? What am I doing?
So this is the big bowl.
Yeah.
So you gotta crack it and put the yolk into the little bowl, which is here.
How am I gonna see the yolk?
You gotta separate it.
But how am I gonna see the yolk?
I'll tell you.
Okay.
Okay, it's on the right. Okay.
Like that?
Yeah, pour it. Okay, balance it on that side. Yep. Let go of the top.
You're
Okay.
like screaming in my ear.
Give it a bit of a shake, and then transfer.
Ah! I feel like something dropped.
Transfer. Ah, that's the table. Ah, that's the bowl.
Oh, I
That's the
have
bowl.
it in my hand.
Oh my god, you did it. You
Here?
freaking did it. You're a genius.
I did it!
Okay.
Yeah.
1. Yay. Okay, now. I don't know why it's so small. When you crack it, the other side is so small.
I make
Okay,
sure that the
pour
yolk
it
is
to
on
the left
right
side
then.
now. Okay, you balance it. Yeah. Oh. You got it. Okay, now transfer it. Ah! Yeah, there. Nice. You got this. Zen, you pro. Okay, transfer it over. Nice. Yay. Now go wash your hands.
Yay.
Wait, you need to know where the sink is. Place the egg whites in a large mixing bowl and keep it in the fridge. We need to add 50 grams of cake flour and oil together. I lost the recipe, Zen. How did you find it before? Scroll?
Yeah.
I found it.
What is this? What is, oh, scissors. You cut it! I'm gonna cut my finger! What is happening?
Pour it. I'll tell you when to stop. Ah! Wait, what the heck is going on with this scale? Wait, the scale keeps changing. We gotta switch scales. We gotta do that again. Okay,
Yeah.
pour it. Keep going. Ah! Stop! Stop!
Okay.
We're on 62, so
You're, like,
we'll have to scoop a
screaming in my
little bit of it
ear.
out.
You're like screaming in my ear.
I need to put this somewhere safe.
You're like, now what? Now
Harry Styles.
what? Now what?
Oh, we gotta scoop it out. It's 62. You gotta scoop out like some. You didn't get any. You're gonna go lower.
Here.
Go lower. You gotta go lower. No, you're not getting anything. What are you doing?
Oh yeah, yeah.
Yeah, okay, there's the bowl. Okay, remember that action. Now repeat. Okay, then a little scoop now, just a little one. No, go deeper, deeper. No,
Yeah.
keep going. Like touch the bowl. Okay. Okay, repeat. Ah! You put it on the table.
Is it enough?
That's fine. 52. Let's close enough. Close enough. It's good. Okay, Alfred, why don't you do this next part?
Yeah, Alfred.
You gotta add 30 grams of vegetable oil and then whisk the flour and the oil until it's smooth. Watermelon sugar high, high, sugar high. Ah! 30. Oh. You can see, you know what you're doing. Come, step forward. Okay.
What is this? This feels weird.
Now you whisk it. Okay, just go around the bowl. Oh my god, it's actually working.
How long? What?
Just until it's smooth. So when it's smooth, you can stop.
Can't tell.
Wait, there's still a lot of flour on the side. Ah! It just flew everywhere.
We need to get
Oh my
the
God.
sides.
Oh wait, let's go deeper down. It's flicking everywhere. Oh, I don't know. Okay, maybe we should stop. This looks weird. This
Does it
stop.
not look right? How does it look like now?
It looks like a mess.
After you scrape it.
Alfred, you take over. It's too messy. We're gonna add in the vanilla extract.
Getting lightheaded.
Wait, wait.
Band is so tight, my head.
What is it? What?
Why are you laughing?
Why are you laughing?
What is happening?
You know what? We should just use the handheld whisk. It's too messy. Use the top bit of this to whisk. Get me milk. I'm so hot. Okay, so we need 30 grams of milk. You can add the yolk in here. Here's the yolk. Hold it. Add it in. Yeah, just go plop. Yep, bullseye.
Done. Ew, why is it sticky? Is there something on my hand?
No, we put 3 eggs, not 5. It's 3.
No, is there something on my hand? It's sticky.
Huh?
It's-
Hold your hand. Why?
No! Is there something on my hand? It's sticky.
Something. Your hand.
Nothing?
No. Ah! Zen,
What?
you almost like sabotaged the whole thing.
Try to find-
You said hold the bowl. Hold the bowl. Put the milk in.
Do I just stand here?
This hand whisk, you've been demoted from the electric one.
How long do I mix it for? Until it turns what? Does it tap me if it looks okay? Like give me a sign. Can you? Is nobody here? Am I just talking to myself? Does it look good?
Oh, we need to preheat the oven to 150 degrees.
Is it Fahrenheit or Celsius?
What?
Is it in Fahrenheit or Celsius?
I can't read that.
Fahrenheit or Celsius?
Vanilla.
The temperature.
It's vanilla. Vanilla. So that is looking really good now. Except ours looks like more yellow. Their one looks a bit creamy.
You're saying too much at one time.
Okay.
Break it down.
Whip the egg for 2 minutes until fish eye size bubble. What's a fish eye size?
Break it down. What are we doing first? What first? First step.
One.
First.
It's half a teaspoon of lemon juice.
First.
First, we need half a teaspoon of lemon juice and 15 grams of sugar.
head
Dip it
hurts.
too far.
My head hurts.
Your hand hurts.
My head.
Oh yeah.
Can someone talk to me? Ow!
We change it.
How's my hair? You're sponsored by Top Beauty. Where's the camera?
Just this way.
Oh, I smell lemon. I
Lemon.
smell lemon.
Just half a teaspoon. Is that it? It's a bit of waste of a lemon, eh? Oh my god, this song. Oh my god. I will sing it to you then, and you will
Okay.
put me on a pedestal and tell me I'm the best.
Na 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 na.
Raise me up until the sky till I'm short of breath.
Here? Here?
What if
Here.
what if I trip? Ah! Oh my god. Oh, it's 15 grams. Oh, it's 15. Mix it with the hand mixer. Medium to low heat. What?
We're heating it.
We're beating it, yeah.
We're heating it. You said on medium to low heat.
On medium. No. Speed.
My
We
right
do
eardrum
it
is
for 2
done.
minutes until we see fish eye size bubbles.
Okay.
But there's so many different types of fish in the sea. Have you not seen fish eyes? They're like it could be big and small, so that's not a good description. Wait, Alfred, you help her. I'm gonna stand here. It's too scary. Don't lift it too high, okay then?
I feel like something just touched me. Did something come out?
I'm doing it. Is that the fastest?
Looks
It
like what?
Wait. It says add another 15 grams of sugar into the egg white. So we gotta add the sugar the second time, and that should make it like more stiff. Oh, a bit too much, but that's okay. Alfred has eyes and he got too much. You don't have eyes, and you got it bang on 15 grams. Mix me at my worst.
Is it fish eye yet?
Until it gets like this.
Why do I feel like I'm doing everything?
You don't know that because you can't see.
I'm not. That's not what I said, but okay.
Turn it the other way. Oh no, it's too floppy. Keep going. Tired, eh? My ears hurt.
My right ear hurts from you.
Huh?
My right ear hurts from you.
Something from me.
My right ear hurts from you. My right ear
Your ear.
hurts
Hurts
from
from
you. You talking.
That's
Done?
too floppy. Wait,
Ew.
a little bit more. Dollar bills. Dollar bills. Dollar bills. Dollar bills. We have to scoop 1/3 of the egg white into the yolk mixture and then fold it until it's combined.
What am I doing? What am I doing? What am I doing? What am I doing?
Maybe you gotta turn the bowl. Yeah, turn the bowl. Yeah, that's the bowl. Yeah. Now fold it in. Turn the bowl. Sick of this song. I need to change song. You're hitting my boobs, but okay. Okay, you stand and film then.
I can see what I'm filming. Looks good, guys. Keep up the good work.
We are almost at the end. Like we've made the batter. Now we have to pour it into the cake tin. What?
Okay, yeah. Alfred told me already. We're good.
Alfred told you he's immune.
We got it. Maybe we gotta swap places. So you hurt my left ear. Right now my right ear hurts so much.
Swap. Standing swap. That looks good. Does that look good?
Yeah, that looks good.
So now we just gotta pour.
I'm tired.
Okay, Zen, you wanna pour it?
Okay. Here,
Pour it.
here.
Yeah. Angle. Pour it. Wait, do we have to grease this? Wait. Stop. That's right. Nothing came out. Okay, hold it there. Cry on it. What song is this? I'm not gonna make it a la 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 la. Okay, now spread it. Did you get it?
Alfred's doing it.
That goes in the oven now.
We're done?
We forgot something. Stop, take it out.
Oh my god.
We've got to cover it with foil. Okay, don't hold it then. It's very hot. It's hard being the supervisor in the kitchen. I'm like head chef, but I can't do much. So we bake it for 20 minutes, then remove the foil, and then bake it for another 35 more minutes. It's a really long time to bake a cake.
Move the cake pan from the oven, immediately flip it upside down and allow it to cool on a wire rack. The problem is, you left the wire rack in the oven. I asked you if there's anything in the oven, and you left the wire rack in the oven. How are we gonna let it cool? We gotta let the wire rack cool and then let the cake cool.
Now it's getting the wire rack out. I'm so hungry.
Same. Out a piece of me, and now I bleed it totally. Left here without you. Life could possibly be like without you.
Oh my god, my ears.
We're done.
My eyes.
My eyes. Oh my god, my ears are sweaty. I have sweaty ears. It's
Smiley.
She's so smiley now.
Say hi to yourself.
Who's that cute baby? Who's that cute baby?
Don't forget to
Thumb this
video.
It's very thin.
Yeah.
It's so thin. It smells good, but it's like the thinnest cake. I thought it would like puff up more, but it didn't really. It smells good, okay guys? I think we did a really good job. It's not what I envisioned, but hopefully it will tickle my taste buds. It's about 1.5 centimeters thick.
It's so dense.
Freaking pizza.
It's a pizza, dude, guys.
It looks like a pancake.
Mataba.
There you
It
go.
looks dry AF.
Oh, it kind of looks like cake slices now.
It looks like we made thick pancakes. Here, everyone. Have a pizza. Have a pizza. Okay, cheers. Our hard work. That's not bad.
It's nice though.
It's actually like
Yeah, it's not bad.
pretty good. So yeah, if we just made more of that to fit the pan, I think we did okay, man.
Not bad.
Then all your hard work folding and beating and just
Cracking eggs.
cracking eggs, I'm
Yeah.
actually so impressed.
Well,
I hope you guys have enjoyed us trying the TikTok challenge. Maybe we gotta do like a savory recipe and swap roles next time. Let us know if you want to see that. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you're new here, and we shall speak to you guys next time. Bye!